My name is Stephen Sindoni. Thank you for tuning in to the YouTube broadcast of Microsoft Hidden Messages Revealed. A close friend and co-creator of the Givercrat website, Renee from LA, put up a video on our website by a man named Chip Tatum. After watching Renee's video on Chip Tatum exposing the secret operations he was involved with in the early 1970s with the CIA, I decided to do a little research into Mr. Tatum's background. I got on the internet and did a Google search on his name. I was directed to his website, chip-tatum-chronicles.html. On his website I learned that Chip Tatum had gone public in 2007. And within 1 year of him going public, he is now dead. Probably as a direct result of what he shared with the American public regarding the New World Order's secret agenda. As I read Mr. Tatum's homepage on his website, I scrolled down and was shocked to learn that embedded in Microsoft's Word document letter writing program, there was evidence that secret codes could be found on the software. The following slide I will now show you is what I found. After following Mr. Tatum's step-by-step instructions, I came to the same startling results. I will now walk you through the instructions so that way you can also see what I discovered. Step 1, open Microsoft Word. Step 2, click on Format Font. Step 3, choose the font settings, Wingdings. Step 4, change the font size to 72 for better viewing. Step 5, click OK. Step 6, hit the caps lock button. Step 7, now type the numbers 33 or 33. Step 7, now type the letters Q, 33, and NYC. The letter Q is a hidden source. Step 8, you'll observe some very interesting symbolism. The first question that popped into my head was who was responsible for writing this software? Secondly, how long was this code active? Was there someone trying to warn the American people about the 9/11 conspiracy? Or was it the secret government themselves bragging about their covert activities? I now wondered about the Microsoft Corporation and the monopoly that they had over the entire computer software industry. I then got on the internet and went on Wikipedia, free encyclopedia, to search for the founder of the Microsoft Corporation, Bill Gates. I quickly targeted the fact that founder Bill Gates stepped down as chief executive officer of the company in January of 2000. He remained on as chairman and created the position of chief software architect. In June 2006, Bill Gates announced he was gradually transferring his duties to Ray Ozzie, chief software architect, and Craig Mundy, chief research and strategy officer. Bill Gates' last full-time day at Microsoft was June 27, 2008. Mr. Gates remains as a part-time, non-executive chairman. I then called Renee from LA and told her what I had found. I told her that there might be more hidden messages in the Microsoft software. After uttering those words, little did I know how right I would be. It was 2 days later, December 31st, 2008, when I began writing a script for a new YouTube video entitled New World Order Revealed in Microsoft Word that I would use to include in the description of the short story for my video. As I typed the words into the Word document, this is what I learned. I started by abbreviating the title New World Order and typed in the initials NWO. When I hit the space bar, the word's letters changed to NOW and spelled the word now. At first I thought it was my error and I typed in the letters NWO incorrectly. But each time I typed in the letters NWO, the word now would appear. It was obvious that someone was putting in a hidden message. I then contacted Renee from LA and asked her to go on the computer, and I would give her instructions. Renee then logged onto the computer and followed my instructions, and she came up with the same startling results. I encourage all of you listening and watching this YouTube video to follow my instructions and see for yourself. I now challenge you, the American people, to do your own investigation. It is my belief that the Microsoft Corporation has a lot of explaining to do to answer some of these very serious allegations about their proprietary Microsoft Word document software. We, the American people, must have these questions answered before our rights are all taken away.
Back in the USSR. Well, the good brain girls really knocked me out.